If you're anything like me, you may not be a fan of cleaning out the stinky garbage can. Well, look no further. There's a service out there for that. And on the line, I have Aaron, Dustin, and Zachary Mundon from Clean Cans Hawaii. Aloha, guys.
Aloha, Kanoe.
Thanks for being on the line with us. Let's talk about this Clean Cans Hawaii. I'm interested in this. Tell me what it's about.
Sure. First off, I want to thank you for having us on the show today. So Clean Cans Hawaii, what we are the first city and state permitted mobile resident trash bin and cleaning dumpster service in Hawaii. What we do is we clean, deodorize, sanitize trash bin and dumpsters. But let me tell you, trash is a breeding ground for new, existing, and possible harmful bacteria that could easily spread. But fortunately, we have a solution for you.
All right, well, how does it work?
So our mobile 2-in-1 hybrid system cleans by using a 190-degree high-pressured hot water system to sanitize and deodorize your bins. We are 100% eco-friendly, using anywhere from 20 to 30 times less water for residential bins and 50 to 75 times less for commercial dumpsters. And to take conservation a step further, we are using non-potable R1 recycled water to conserve our natural resources.
This is actually really safe for the environment then, huh?
Yes, very.
Yeah, I was just going to mention that in this, we're all struggling through this time and trying to sanitize everything both within and outside of our own homes. So this is a really great thing for us to think about. I don't think a lot of people would actually think I need to clean my trash can and make sure that it's sanitized as well, right?
Right. Yeah.
Okay, well, is there anything else that you would like our viewers to know?
The most important thing is that some people probably don't realize that trash bins are ideal dwellings for various germs, molds, and bacterial and viral entities. These infectious agents can survive for days outside the host and live even longer on non-porous surfaces. So our goal is trying to use our service, keeping clean bins and helping eliminate these issues, especially in this time.
Well, I think a lot of our viewers might want more information and questions, of course, on how to do this. How are they able to contact you guys?
Well, we do offer different packages. We do semi-monthly packages and quarterly packages. We also do custom packages, so we understand that there are some businesses that have different customizations to our services, so we definitely like to cater to that as well.
Check us out at www.cleancanshi.com or call us at 808-683-2718.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for being there for the community. This is a really great service.
Mahalo Kanoe.
All right, we'll have more information up on our website about Clean Cans Hawaii, hinowdaily.com.
Brought to you by Clean Cans Hawaii.